Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be teaching you how to make this origami wallet. This wallet is similar to the paper wallet, which we used one sheet of printer paper, but this time we're going to be using one square 6-inch piece of comic. Let's get started. Start off by folding in half. Unfold. Fold this down to the middle. Turn around, fold in half again. And then from here you just go on to flip it over. And then this is where you can customize the length of your wallet. I'm just going to fold it right here. Looks good for me. The same thing on the other side. And then you just fold it over like this. And there you go, your own origami wallet. You can put stuff in here. You can put like flickers and other stuff and money. And there's your origami wallet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications to miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.